Our today's topic is on a place you visited where the air was polluted. Describe a place you visited where the air was polluted. You should say, where is the place? When did you visit? Why the air was not good? And explain how you felt about the place. There are several places that are suffering from air contamination, but today I would like to talk to you about a place I visited where the air was highly polluted. The place I am referring to is the city of New Delhi, India. I had the opportunity to visit this city in the summer of 2022. New Delhi is the capital of India and is known for its rich cultural heritage and history. However, the air quality in the city is a major concern. The city has been facing a severe air pollution crisis for many years now, and during my visit, the situation was no different. The primary cause of air pollution in New Delhi is the high levels of vehicular emissions, industrial pollution, and the burning of agricultural waste. The city also suffers from dust and construction pollution due to rapid urbanization. When I arrived in New Delhi, the first thing I noticed was the thick hedge of smog that hung over the city. The air was thick with smog and particulate matter, making it difficult to breathe. I found myself constantly coughing, and my eyes were irritated due to the poor air quality. As an avid traveler, I had high hopes for my visit to New Delhi, but the poor air quality made it hard for me to enjoy my time there. I felt disappointed and saddened by the state of the city and the impact it was having on the health of its citizens. It was a stark reminder of the importance of taking care of our environment and the need for immediate action to address the air pollution crisis. In conclusion, my visit to New Delhi was an eye-opening experience, and it highlighted the urgent need for action to address the air pollution crisis. As a global community, we must come together to find solutions to protect our environment and the health of our citizens. Follow-up questions. 1. Is there more pollution now than in the past? Air pollution has been a growing concern for many years, and it's likely that it has increased over time. With the increasing population, urbanization, and industrialization, the amount of pollutants in the air has risen. Additionally, transportation and energy production have also contributed to the increase in air pollution. However, it's worth noting that air pollution levels have fluctuated over time, and there have been periods in history when air pollution was much worse than it is today. 2. In what ways can the air pollution be reduced effectively? Air pollution can be reduced effectively through a combination of actions, including encouraging the use of public transportation, biking, and walking instead of driving personal vehicles, developing stricter emissions standards for industries and vehicles, investing in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power, promoting energy-efficient buildings and appliances, regulating and reducing the burning of agricultural waste and the use of open-air burning, promoting reforestation and afforestation, implementing stricter regulations on industrial emissions, encouraging the use of electric cars, and encouraging people to use public transportation, bikes and walk. These steps aim to reduce the release of pollutants into the air and to promote cleaner forms of energy. Collaboration between government, industry, and citizens is crucial to successfully implement these measures and achieve a significant reduction in air pollution. 3. Do you think the city is cleaner or dirtier than the countryside? Why? It depends on the specific city and countryside, as well as the measures that have been taken to address air pollution. Generally, cities tend to have higher levels of air pollution due to factors such as high population density, heavy traffic, and industrial activity. However, in some rural areas, air pollution can be just as bad or worse due to factors such as agricultural burning or mining. It's also worth noting that some cities have implemented measures to reduce air pollution, such as promoting public transportation and investing in renewable energy sources. 4. What can factories and power plants do to reduce pollutants? Factories and power plants can reduce pollutants by implementing a variety of techniques and technologies. One effective method is the use of emissions controls, such as scrubbers and filters, which can capture pollutants before they are released into the air. Another strategy is to switch to cleaner fuels, such as natural gas or renewable energy sources, which produce fewer emissions. Additionally, factories and power plants can improve their energy efficiency through the use of advanced technologies and practices, such as combined heat and power systems. Another step can be the adoption of industrial ecology practices, which aims at reducing waste, recycling materials, and minimizing the use of resources. This can decrease their impact on the environment and reduce their overall emissions. Overall, a combination of different approaches can help factories and power plants to significantly reduce pollutants and improve their environmental performance. 5. Do you think many companies have been forced to reduce pollutants? Some companies have been forced to reduce pollutants through government regulations and laws, such as the Clean Air Act and the Clean Water Act in India. These laws set limits on the number of certain pollutants that companies can emit, and penalties can be imposed for non-compliance. Additionally, some companies may also be motivated to reduce pollutants voluntarily in order to improve their environmental performance and reputation. 6. Do you think the wind has any effect on pollution? How? The wind can have an effect on pollution in several ways. Firstly, wind can help to disperse pollutants in the air, which can dilute their concentration and reduce their impact on air quality. Additionally, wind power can be used as an alternative energy source to fossil fuels, which can help to reduce emissions and improve air quality. The use of wind turbines can help to reduce the number of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere, and can also help to reduce the dependence on fossil fuels. Additionally, wind can also help in reducing the heat island effect, a phenomenon where the urban areas are much warmer than the surrounding rural areas, which is caused by human activities such as urbanization, deforestation, and transportation. Thus, wind can help to reduce pollution in many ways. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe to our channel for more videos.